My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called ATCK. ATCK stands for a new ransomware targeting many Windows computers these days. My video, though, is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can protect your files. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ATCK ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. It is called ATCK because it encrypts files and appends this ATCK extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the data anymore. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data restored. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, but to get there you will most likely need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. With Premium license, you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature works very well when it comes to identifying this ransomware, removing this ransomware, and protecting your files from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but as I said, it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. Now, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium. And this way, as I said, your data would always be protected in the future. Speaking regarding file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So upgrade to Premium, request trial, and as I said, concerning file decryption, please pay very careful attention to a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about this particular ransomware and ways you can possibly recover your data. There is no guarantee that you will be able to recover the data using that guide or this software, but please pay very careful attention. You'll get more information about this type of infection and ways to possibly recover your data.